sound like one.
Alright.
You fucking must lie too.
Keep talking,
Your
mate.
mother must be so fucking happy with you, mate, eh? Yeah.
You're not talking anymore?
No, he's shutting up.
Oh, you're shutting up now, are you?
Yeah, shut up.
So the ones who are using Cronus right now is John Howard and what's that other guy I said before? I forget his, oh yeah, that
Why have you stopped talking, Gregory? Are you still there?
Hey.
Dude, why do you sound like a child molester?
These fellas on the red team, are they your buddies or something?
Are they your boyfriends on the red team, are they?
Fuck buddies. Are they your fuck buddies? They are, aren't they? Yeah. Come on. They are your fuck buddies.
Talk, piece of shit.
Yeah. No. I talk shit anyway.
You do know you're going on YouTube. Look me up. Relax Bro Crazy Game and you're going on me with shit.
You fucking dickhead. Yeah, fucking idiot.
What do you think I make YouTube videos? I fucking make people do it.
Hey, Elvis, you notice they're the big fucking heroes behind mics, aren't they?
Yeah.
No? Yeah. This cunt sounds like he's fucking come out of a fucking roundhouse.
Sounds like he just came out of fucking child molester's fucking retirement.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
jail.
I can fucking do
That's
that.
jail, isn't it?
I can hear you, yes. Hello?
Yeah, only kill streak you do use G-Babies, right?
Yeah.
Bro, where's he gone? There's a pissy old boomer on our team that's not having a good time. He's like, these people don't bloody
Can you just go to your events?
Hey, thank you for the
getting
YouTube
sick
video.
and tired of them cheating.
Thank you for the
Here
YouTube
there
video.
is.
Yeah, they are fuck buddies.
Yeah, Gregory, everybody wants to see their eyes out as well. Aren't you?
Relax Bro Crazy Game and you're going on my YouTube. You're going on my YouTube. You're going on my YouTube. Easy video.
Fuck buddies.
How dumb are these motherfuckers, man?
Yeah. Did you see the red one come on?
Yeah.
Fucking dogs. He knows him.
Yeah.
They are cheaters.
Alright, shush. I don't want to be editing.